How many people do you think can watch this?
Not a lot.
Huh?
Not a lot.
Okay then. What? Why do you want to?
Dude, it can hear you.
Okay. Why do you want to put it on YouTube?
Hey, you wrecked.
We're gonna have to edit that.
Hey, you wrecked. You better not run into me.
Told you I'm not that good.
Whatever. Don't hit me. Thing hurts your feet.
I know it does.
My turn.
Okay.
Roller coaster. Hoo-hoo-hoo.
Okay, good. Dawson,
What?
the battery's low.
Are you videoing me?
And that's what happened.